Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, we're going to talk about one of the new features I would like to show you, which are the tasks or the to-do list for a booking. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So let's click here on bookings. Once you're logged in on bookings, you can see here right now we have no task at all available. And what happened is very simple. Is sometimes you have a booking, and in that booking you want to maybe put in a task. So how can we do that? Well, let's click here first on our travel date where we can see all the current bookings that we have, and we have all the customers here. So let's click on this one from James Reyes. So right now we have no task for this one here. You can see there are no tasks at all. But maybe you would like to say, well, I would like to communicate. Well, as you can see, this is now, the travel date is 22 of August. So this is not yet happening. Today is the 18th of August. But maybe you would like to put in a message from, oh, if we have this, we want to at least communicate, send a voucher to the customer. By clicking on add task, you can add a task. And in here you can put, for example, send the voucher to the customer. And then you can select here like the priority of it. And if you select, you can select urgent, high, and then there are options you display now or 3 days before travel date. So let's select this one, and this one you can ignore for now and assign. Currently we only have all agents. Later on you can select specifically an agent you want to focus on. But what happened then? If you do this, all the agents will see this, that this task is here open. So let's add this task here. Once we did this, you see a task has been added. Alright, let's refresh, because we have to refresh currently the page. And you can see here, send the voucher to the customer. Let's go back to our bookings. And in here, now you can see we have an urgent task. And this task is being shown instantly. And you can see here, alright, one of the to-do lists is to send the voucher to the customer. Maybe you say, okay, that's nice, but what is the voucher, or what is that? Because imagine you have probably more than one booking or more than one task. So you can just click on the task. Once you click on the task, you will open instantly the right booking. And as you can see, James Reyes, that's the booking. You can see all the details, so you can send the customer all the information. Once you send this, all you have to do is to click this. You click on it and you can see it's been automatically checked. It's green checked, and if you click it one more time, it will uncheck the task as well. And that's really it. As you can see here, it just takes some time to load, but let's click and unclick. As you can see, there you are. And that's really how it is. It's a very simple task and a very simple tool, easy to help you organize. So let's click here. You can see now your tasks are gone. So why is this so useful? Or imagine in many situations, sometimes you have a customer who asks for, I want to upgrade the suitcase. For example, let's say we have this customer number 2 here. And this customer says, well, we have this, and you can see here currently there's only one task that will be displayed on the last thing. So let's click on the task. You can see here display and 3 days before, meaning that this task is open, but it doesn't show on there. And the reason why it doesn't show is, well, if you would send, for example, the voucher to a customer today, maybe on the travel date, in this case the travel date is the 31st of December, they might forget it. It's 2 or 3 months ahead, so they will forget about it. So what you can do is, you can just put it 3 days in advance. Same also for call customer, for example here, call customer before their travel to inform basic information. So that's a very common thing. Is, for example, alright, this we can just do this normal. You can see here, that's 3 days before travel date. So sometimes you want to call a customer from, oh, hello ma'am, sir, please note, print out your voucher, go to the airport on time 3 to 4 hours in advance, especially because you're in peak season of New Year's Eve and December. So go a bit earlier. This kind of basic information. You want to communicate. You don't want to call them now, but you want to call them 3 days before their travel date. So that's a perfect thing. And then, alright, add the task. You can see now here when a task has been added, just ignore the date right now, that's all in testing mode. And then you can see here, call customer before their travel to inform basic information. Alright, so we add this task. So if you go back to booking, you can see the task doesn't show in here because the task is not now. This is today's task, as you can see. And This will help you to organize your travel agency better with everything. Imagine a situation where you have to do refunds. Yes, so we had situations where you had refunds. Think about the Boracay refunds. There's a lot of refunds being done, and of course then you want to maybe put in here, oh well, already asked the refund, waiting for operator to refund the money, for example. And then after, maybe you're gonna say send customer the refund amount. So these kind of things is, and then you can put this as urgent. So let's add this task here. So it's here added as well. Let's refresh. So currently we have to refresh. I'll be fixing that very soon. However, you can see it here now. And then when we go back here to our things, you can see now this is an urgent matter. Nope, as we click on it, you will jump instantly back here. So we should not click on it. But you can see here, this is urgent, and you can see the color. So this is really, really useful, because now, for example, another one, let's add up here, add a task, call customer about upgrade of the luggage. Alright, and then we can see here high. We're going to put it high and this show at once. Alright, add task. Then we add the task here. That works. Refund. If you refresh, you will see it here instantly. And if we go back to booking, now you can see you have some different colors. So this is for high priority, and you will see that this is being arranged from highest or urgent to high to low. So let's add another one, and you have an understanding of this. Let's click on this one. I have no idea. This is just you can see there's all fake bookings. There's all fake data as well. So send voucher not urgent, low priority. Alright. So we just say here, alright, that's normal. We have that normal. Add the task. Once we did this, refresh here, you can see, beautiful, it works. And now you can see here instantly, you can see here what's the travel date, so you have understanding. You can see when the date is all things. I probably will be removing this very soon. However, you can see now this is neatly organized on priority. So if your agents log in on their work, what do they see? They will see instantly this. So if they click on booking, they will see this, and then of course you can go to every booking here. This one right now is not available, might be very soon. But the goal here is just simple. You see all these things here. And that's very, very useful. So if you like tips and tricks regarding to CouponBet and you want to organize your travel agency, just go to couponbet.com and register there for your own account. It is free and you will get instant access to the account.